We're wishing you and yours a Merry Valentine's Day. And it's that time of year where you get to vote for your favorite Valentine's Day treat and help one lucky lady win a gift card and be featured in an upcoming video.
This year, there were more African American women showing off their Christmas trees, and those sisters did their thing. Check them out.
This year's trees are colorful, bold, beautiful, and lovely. They're creative, elegant, and unique. They will definitely pull on your heartstrings as you envision celebrating in your home. The fun starts on Thursday, January 27th, when you can cast your vote and one lucky lady will win a gift card and have their Valentine's tree featured in an upcoming video.
Thanks for tuning in, and please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Take care.